welcome back to my channel Curiosity Unlimited. Today I have a kitchen product that I'm going to unbox. So let's start unboxing and see what that product is. Okay, so this is the product. Let's start unboxing it. Here. Okay, as you see, these are measuring spoons. And these are measuring cups. Okay, so let's see each one of them. So this is how you open and close it. So this is how you close, so it all stays together. When you want to remove anything, you can just open it from here and remove it like this. You want to put it back, just put it like this. That's it. That is how you do it. It's a 8-piece measuring cup and spoon set, and it is made in India. Now let's remove the cups and spoons and see what all measures they have. I like this thing that it's stackable, so it takes up less space. Even the spoons are stackable. It's very easy to see, keep it in less space. Okay, so this is the first one. It's a 1/4 teaspoon, and these are general spoons. Like it is not only for liquid or solid. It is for all of them. It can be used for liquid as well as solid. That's for 1/4 teaspoon. This is 1/2 teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon, and this is 1 tablespoon. You see the ridges inside this. This is where the spoon gets stacked. This is how they get stacked. It's plastic. The material seems quite durable. It is flexible, but I suppose that's what you get. It's around less than 150 rupees. Okay, let's go to the cups. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4 cups. The biggest one is 1 cup, that's 240 ml approximately. The next one is 2/3 cup, that's 160 ml. The cup after that is 1/2 cup, that's 120 ml. And the next cup is a 1/4 cup, that's 60 ml. So you can just stack it back. So basically you can use this for, if you want like normal cooking, for baking, for everything. You just put it back here and put it back here. This is how it gets stacked. Let me just get something to show you, and how it looks after we measure it. So I have this sugar here. Okay, now we'll just see how convenient or accurate this is. Now this is 1/4 tablespoon, 1/4 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon. There you go, that's your 1/4 teaspoon. And if you want to use the cup, like this is 1/4 cup. That's your 1/4 cup. I would say it's pretty nice, pretty usable. I had a set already, but that is not a 8-piece set. It's only spoons, and it's not that great. It's only for liquid measurement, so it does not measure the solids properly. So there you go guys, a pretty decent measuring spoons and cup set. If you would like to take it, I have purchased it from Amazon, and it is around 150 rupees, less than that. If you want, I'll provide you a link in the description. Okay, so the next product that we have is a bit bigger, so let's just open it and see what the product is. And there you go. The packaging is good because it's a glass product, so the packaging really need to be good. Let's just tear it off now. Okay, so this is the product. It's a 1 liter jar ordered from Amazon. It's 1.3 liter jar. It can be used for hot and cold use. 100% food safety. It's a pitcher jar. So first you have to put hot water, shake the water evenly for preheating, then use it freely. Okay. The jar is really good. It's strong. It's proper glass, and it has this engravings for stability, I suppose. Grip, maybe not. The handle is also nice. It's not too heavy, but obviously once you fill it with 1.3 liter, it's definitely going to be heavy. On the other hand, this thing I did not like much because it is not glass. This is plastic. It's mentioned here as well. The lid is made from PP material up to the food safety level. The spout is a special design, smoothly flows easily, picture is clean with no smell. Okay. So this is the only part that I did not like about it, because who would want a plastic handle on a glass jar pitcher, right? So yeah, I see that there is a, if you put it like this, see, you have a opening here, so that is how you can pour things. That's good, but seriously I did not like the lid of the jar. Apart from that, the jar is really great. All right, that's it for this product. If you like the video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you can see videos here that you can check it out, and you will see a subscribe button here. Please click on that and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.